Mastering Java Collections Framework, Lists, Sets, Maps Explained Subtitle, Comprehensive Guide for Java Programmers. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Java Collections Framework. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Collections Framework, exploring lists, sets, and maps, and how they can supercharge your Java programs. Let's start with the basics. The Java Collections Framework provides a unified architecture for representing and manipulating collections of objects. It includes interfaces and classes to represent various types of collections. First up, lists. Lists are ordered collections that allow duplicate elements. In Java, the primary interface for lists is the list interface. Let's see an example. Code example 1, list Java import Java. Util, public class lists example, public static void main string, args, list string fruits equals new array list fruits. Add apple, fruits. Add banana, fruits. Add orange, system. Out. Println fruits, plus fruits. Next, sets. Sets are collections that do not allow duplicate elements. In Java, the primary interface for sets is the set interface. Here's an example. Code example 2, sets Java import Java. Util, public class sets example, public static void main string, args, set string unique names equals new hash set unique names. Add Alice, unique names. Add Bob, unique names. Add Alice, / duplicate element, won't be added system. Out. Println unique names, plus unique names. Lastly, maps. Maps are collections that store key value pairs. In Java, the primary interface for maps is the map interface. Let's take a look. Code example 3, maps Java import Java. Util, public class maps example, public static void main string, args, map string, integer age map equals new hash map age map. Put Alice, 30, age map. Put Bob, 25, age map. Put Alice, 35, / updating Alice's age system. Out. Println age map, plus age map. That concludes our journey through the Java Collections Framework. Lists, sets, and maps are powerful tools that can greatly enhance your Java programming experience. Experiment with them in your projects to unlock their full potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java tutorials. And remember, practice makes perfect. Happy coding!